here, a little bit breezy. Those of us who don't have hair don't have an issue. You can probably see all the seagulls. There he is. There's a few big ones. Anyway, off to the end of the pier. Gonna get prepped. Gorgeous morning, about 7:30. What is that? So I'm just going to spin the camera around. Someone's made. I don't know what that is. Let's have a quick look. What is it? It's like a sculpture, isn't it? You think? I don't think it is now. I think they do.
And have a look. Look inside, holding that pole.
Is he in there? And there's the old pier that burnt down. What a shame. What a wreck.
So we got some very good positioning through going into the grocery stores. We got lots of positive feedback as well, we got some press.
And it had to be a high ticket, meaning I needed to make money in bulk. I want you to write that down.
Richard Branson, I've done that over the last 5 years. When I came downstairs at 5 o'clock in the morning, I get up, I'm an early bird, as you can probably tell.
And then it gets to the end of your life, and you've made all the sacrifices of all the things you wanted to do, and it gets to the end of your life, and you've got no money and no time to do those things you want to do.
We have nothing. Even if you have the best product, or service, or idea,
See this photo right here? I took this a couple of weeks ago. I'm from a small country town in Western Australia.
I tell you that because most of the people who've made that majority of money are regular people. They're not internet marketing gurus.
So as you can see behind me, lots going on here today. We've just had Matt Lloyd from Mo talking, and you can see the room is quite buzzing in the coffee break. My wife's just sat there doing a bit of work. We've got one of the cameras over here just videoing, just taking some time-lapse shots, and we're just piecing everything together. We've got a 40-minute break now until we go back in.
And get paid loads of money from sharing your knowledge and your know-how that you already have. Rather than have them out like that, can you do them like this? Good. Now, just relax, okay? And let me do all the work.
Bulgaria, so I never even stepped foot in Bulgaria myself. And my mate went to Bulgaria, and I said, well, if it looks really good, look, I'll give him the $5,000.
Pretty simple. Okay, so simple math. Okay, and I'm going to do it for you. You don't have, this is not a test. All right, if you want to make 10,000.
Paul, oh, let's do it together, Paul. Well done, very well done. No more excuses now, no more excuses.
Oi. Fred. Come on in. Talk to him. He's got scared of because you talked to him.
I don't talk to him. It's a bird. He can't talk.
Where's the bread?
Don't do that.
Oh.
He'll nip you.
He's a beast, isn't he?
He's bigger than a dog. He's heading back this way.
I think he knows there's bread there. He's just.
Or is he playing cool?
Here is the bait. This is the bait.
Get it.
Wait, well, oh, look, he's over there now. Look, he's munching over there. This is like the third meal he's had.
Go and get it with your hand.
So I put it on the end of the table.
Oh my god, no, you scare me. Oh my goodness, don't do that.
Here it is, the bait. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. Look, he's just landed on their table. Come, careful of the table, careful of the table. He's a monster. He's terrorising the neighbourhood. Where's he gone? He's over behind them. There he is. He's over there. He's just prowling. He's properly right. There he is. Here we go, birdie. Here we go. Here he is over there, look, devouring the bread. My wife was just shit herself. Look, he's just gulleted that in like one mouthful. Oh my god.
Not once, not twice, but 3 times. According to the Sunday Times, we have been in the top 10 best-selling business books 3 times.
So I've just popped down here to the beach, just having a little break, and Andrew Reynolds just given us an amazing deal where we can basically, I've got access now to give away his best-selling book. It's Sunday Times bestseller. It was W.H. Smith's bestseller. It's been on the Sunday Times best-selling list 3 times actually, and he's given me access to give it away. So I've read the book. It's amazing. That's why I'm here for the weekend, and I'm giving you the same offer. So down below there should be a link where you can click on it. As long as you're happy to pay £1 towards the postage, you can get that book in the post within 4 or 5 days, and it's just an amazing read. I really highly recommend you grab hold of it. So I've just popped down the beach here. You can probably see I'm just doing a time lapse of the water, and I think behind me there you can probably see that's the old pier. The wife's up on the seafront up there somewhere. We've got 4 or 5 speakers left today, but so yeah, click on the link below, get your free book for £1, and enjoy.